Hi folks, and welcome to something a little bit different. Never done a unboxing before, and really, unboxing usually means something nice and new and shiny. So this is going to be more like a sort of a nostalgia unboxing. This is something that I managed to get from eBay. I think I got the whole thing, postage and packaging, for about £10. Yeah, this is one of the very first sort of wargaming stroke board games that I ever played as a kid. This is a 1971 edition, so I think this is basically when it was first came out. This is Wallington's campaign, and as I say, it's 50 years old now, so this isn't my original. My original disappeared many years ago. Probably played this when I was about 10, 12 years old. So yeah, it's great to find another copy. Um, so anyway, let's have a little bit of an unboxing. As I say, see what we get. I must admit, I have already opened this and had a mess around already, so I know what's coming. But it's not exactly new, is it? So yeah. So first off, you have like the booklet, and then you have these. These are the rules for the game. They're very simple game indeed. It's more a game of manoeuvring rather than combat. There is combat in the game, but it's very sort of non-diced. The You get 2d6 dice with the game, which is the only thing that's actually missing from the game. But I'm sure I've got several hundred of those, so that's not a problem to replace. So the contents is the rule books. You have the little counters, and you have the playing board itself as well. As I say, it's mainly a game of manoeuvring, which is why you roll the d6, the 2d6 dice for. So I'll look at the game board itself in a bit, but you have all the counters inside. These are all originals. As I say, three different types. That's a cavalry counter. That's your command counter. And that's an infantry counter. And you have 4 sets of each. And you also have your cards as well. These are the town cards. And there's also the alliance cards, which I never really used much in the games that I played, as I remember. I'm sure I did, but the alliance cards I can't seem to remember using. But anyway, yeah, these are the city cards as well for each of the regions. And let's have a quick look at the gaming board itself. It's quite a large one. It opens up. Oops, got it upside down. There we go. As I say, it's a pretty big game board with Austria, Russia at the top there. You have Italy, and then Prussia, Spain, it's upside down, and France. So yeah, so the idea of the game is you maneuver around the board with your units, forming alliances with different countries, and basically outmaneuvering and then wiping out your opponent's armies. Must admit, I just bought this out of just a nostalgia, just to play the game as is and things like that. But of course, with my wargaming head turned on, I just thought of a few little ideas. For instance, what if I was to replace the counters with a centimetre square base with some 6mm figures on them? That'll be quite an interesting thing to see on the board. Make things take them with the correct uniforms for the Spanish and the French, and the Prussians, Russians, and Austrians. I believe the Italians are an ally, I seem to remember, but I can't remember exactly how the game was played, to be honest. I've had a little brief look at the rules, and they seem to be relatively simple. As I say, the combat is pretty much just you gang up on an army, and as long as you've got more than they have there, then you win. So another idea possibly would be to add a little bit more sort of rules to the combat itself, so you get a sort of a very basic mini little war game as well. So yeah, it's great to have a copy of this once again. As I say, I shall be coming up with a few ideas, and no doubt I will hopefully bring them to you at a later date. But yeah, that's the unboxing for you. I've never done an unboxing before, so I'm sure that's how they go. I did look at a couple before I did this. So yeah, there you go. Hope everyone enjoyed that little bit of nostalgia, and queries, put them in the comments as usual, and as always, thanks for taking the time for watching the video, and bye for now, and take care everyone.